How to share your profile on eBay to Facebook directly. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share your profile on eBay app to Facebook directly, easy and fast. So first thing you have to do, go to eBay. This is the home page. Now go to your profile from here and click on your profile picture. Now this is my profile, as you can see. Now all what you have to do to share your profile to Facebook is by clicking on the top corner on those three dots. Click on them like this and now choose the share option, the first one, and here you will find the Facebook, as you can see. Very easy, and hope this video was helpful for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe.